Right, this one's for anyone running ChatGPT on a Mac. OpenAI just confirmed a security breach affecting two of its employee devices. They're rolling out an update right now, and depending on your install, you'll be prompted to install it sometime before June the 12th. Here's what actually happened, what was hit, what wasn't, and what you should actually do. So the mechanism is genuinely interesting. It wasn't a hack into ChatGPT itself, it was a supply chain attack, a widely used open source library that OpenAI's developers depend on quietly compromised. When two of OpenAI's employees pulled it onto their machines, the malicious code ran a post install script that dumped their local credentials and shipped them off to an external endpoint. Walk this back, one open source library somewhere out on the internet gets compromised. It then ends up on two OpenAI dev machines. From those machines, the script reaches into the local code repos, pulls out limited credential material, and sends it to an external destination. 4 stages all kicked off by a single library OpenAI didn't write themselves. Now, the good news, OpenAI's words, no user data was accessed, no chat history, no accounts, no other systems were compromised. The only thing that got out was limited credential material from those two dev machines, code repos. They've also brought in a third-party digital forensic firm to verify everything they're saying. Here's the bit worth noting. This isn't the first time the ChatGPT Mac app has had a security issue. Back in 2024, a developer found that the app was storing user conversations locally in plain text, totally unencrypted. So the pattern isn't malice. It's more that the desktop app team is genuinely learning security in public in real time. So here's what to actually do. Open the ChatGPT Mac app. When it prompts for an update, install it. Quit and reopen. The patch only applies on a fresh launch. Then go to About in the menu bar and check the versions bumped. The fix lands by June 12th for everyone.